Secondly, the issue of Ojwang is related to the issue I'm going to discuss here, violence. We came from Nairobi with a committee of budget. Apparently, the way the committee has become these days, it depends on which governor pays the biggest sum. They sanitize what the governor wants. We walk into the county assembly, there was nothing, there was no violence. We walk into the governor's office and the team that works in my office as oversight officers were being beaten up in the governor's office. Why? Because they are the ones who have been saying what the governor's office has been doing with the money that comes to Kisii County. We were supposed to audit, discuss all the critical issues. Why is Kisii having 3.6 billion in the CRF account? In the last 3 years, why are we not paying contractors who worked in the last 3 years? Why don't we have own source revenue which is collected, which is accountable for? When we came in as a new team, the amount of money we were collecting was about 230, 400. We were supposed to reach 1.2 billion after 1 year. These are the records which have been given by the Auditor General and Controller of Budget. Right now we are stuck at 400. We know own source money is being stolen. We know money is being stolen from the hospital. We know that everything.